welcome to another episode with me, XRPMatt. I hope you enjoyed my silly little intro. That was me jumping around in Decentraland, one of the metaverse options that are out there right now. Anyway, so we're here to cover 5 coins today, the first one being Shiba Inu. And as you can see, I drew a flag pattern here, which I think represents accurately what's going on. And if we zoom in a little bit closer, we can see that it looks like it just broke out a little bit. It is up against the moving average here, but I expect it to move above here if it is a true reversal. If not, we can see it come down here to the 200-day moving average and probably bounce off of it. But if it goes lower than that, then you might see it come down to these support levels. It does look to me like the MACD is confirming a reversal, but we'll have to wait and see. And it does look like we have a pattern here that bounced off the trend line. But this is crypto, so you never know. Please don't take any of this as financial advice. I am just showing you what I see and sharing it with you. Over here we have CELO, which the last time we covered wasn't looking good, and it looks even worse now, I think. We have here heavy resistance at $6.67. And we've seen that it's tried several times to poke through here. Even actually once it looked like it flipped it back here as support, but it just couldn't hold it. And now it looks like it's fallen through all the moving averages. So what to do here? This is a pretty solid support at $6.06, 5 cents. Excuse me. And we'll just have to watch and see what this does in the next couple days to confirm a reversal or not. I'd like to see it get above the 200-day moving average and work its way back up here. It needs to get through this resistance for the price action to continue higher. The MACD doesn't look very good. The RSI is pretty low. Yeah, this coin needs a little bit of time, I think, to work out some stuff with the chart, and then we'll come back and hopefully have a more positive outlook. On to Songbird. So we saw recently that it had a pretty good size run up. I mean, it went up to like 67 cents, and that was because of the XFi snapshot that was supposed to happen on November 5th, and it actually got pushed back to December 12th. So I highly encourage you, if you're holding Songbird, to put it in the Bifrost wallet instead of leaving it on an exchange. That's because this last time around, when many XRP holders were expecting to receive their Songbird tokens, several exchanges did not deliver to them, kept them or burned them, and so a lot of XRP holders missed out on free Songbird and essentially free money. So that's a good lesson to try to keep your stuff on a wallet, whether it's a hardware wallet or a software wallet on your phone. If you own your keys, you own your crypto, and therefore you'll get your airdrops. There's no guarantee with exchanges. That being said, here we are looking at the Songbird chart, and you can see that it tried to push up above the moving average here, but got rejected back down. I'm hoping that we'll see another run-up about a week before the snapshot, maybe even a little longer. And we can see the prices hopefully reach 90 cents, maybe even $1. But right now it's just kind of going flat, and I don't expect much out of it unless, you know, the hype builds up suddenly overnight. So on to our next coin, which is Polygon, also known as MATIC. I see a pretty clear cup and handle here, and the pivot point also being flipped as support. It looks like it's come up here a couple times and got rejected, so I think my outlook on this would be for it to follow the 50-day moving average and work its way up through this next resistance, and then we should see some pretty nice price discovery after that. I wish I could give you a certain date and time, but you know, this is crypto. I mean, we saw today that the whole market was doing well this morning, and then all of a sudden it just kind of took a dump. And I think that was based off of some China news that reported Evergrande was not going to make their payment, and they were going to default, which if you don't know, I think it's like the second or third biggest property owner in the country for China. So if they were to default on their interest, it would be a big deal. It'd be kind of like Lehman Brothers or something here in the U.S. So as I said, this is crypto. You never know what's going to happen. So you could be riding high one day, and then some news could come out and drop your crypto down 20-25%. It's crazy. I tend to find those as buying opportunities. That's why I always try to keep a little bit of stable coin on the side. So with Polygon, I do expect it to break through this resistance fairly soon. I think altcoin season is just around the corner. The next coin we have here is my favorite, of course, XRP. So here I see another cup and handle. Typically these cup and handles can be measured from the top to the bottom, and actually the top is here. Sorry, this is a support line. So I did measure that, and it looks like it would be about a 25% move from around here where it broke out. And that would put it right around $1.40, $1.50, assuming that it can break the resistance here at $1.28 like it did earlier today. As long as it can move through there and get through $1.60, I think we see a new all-time high and then price discovery after that. Very exciting times for XRP holders. But don't expect it to happen overnight, because XRP does move fast. So a good strategy that I've heard and that other people use are to go ahead and take profits from other coins that have already moved and put your profits into XRP. Since it moves last, you can compound those profits and hopefully get another big percentage in gains. Not financial advice, just telling you what I'm doing. And with that, I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. You guys take care and have a good night. Good luck out there.